Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So I've received July's Birchbox. I was a little bit late getting the hang of getting it, but I literally had a second box sent as well. So if you bought the one box, you got another box for the same price. So literally I got the two boxes for £10. So let's go in with the box, the surprise they sent me. So they sent me this one, and this was the Birchbox from April, and I've received a Jumi baked highlight powder from Estate. We've got a Humankind body souffle, creme souffle pour le crop, 2-in-1, and this is going to help your body and it's going to quickly absorb and leave your skin feeling super moisturized and to the touch. So that is what that is. Then we've got the Pore Professional Primer from Benefit, so a little sample there. Then we've got from Avada, which I do love this brand, the Intensive Restructuring Treatment Damage Remedy, and this is this is for after shampooing, so it's to help treat. So I think this will be good for me because it's gonna, after shampooing evenly through damp hair from roots to ends, leave 2 to 5 minutes, rinse thoroughly, follow with damage remedy hair shampoo and that. So I think I'm going to give this a go. Then we've got a Diamond Eye Brighten and Depuff. Oh, I love my face mask. That can go in my new skincare fridge. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And if you are watching, please make sure you leave a comment below so I can come back and say thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And for me to keep going, you guys need to keep commenting, liking and sharing so that I can keep growing my channel. And this is to help me and my kids. Just, you know, I'm having a bit of fun being a mama, doing her thing, raising 3 lovely children who at the minute are driving me crazy, but that's fine. So yeah, Birchbox was the special one. So let's go dig into the July box. Here it is, and it's called Born Unicorn, and we have a full-size product in here. And the full-size product is, I do love the way they package their products. I think it's a really fab idea. So the full-size product is the Floss My Everyday Eyeshadow in Tokyo or Maui, and I've got it in Maui. Give it a little swatch because I do like the look of this. I think I chose this colour. So this is a eyeshadow. Oh, there you go, very light. Oh, this would have been nice on holiday. Let's give it another. There you go, that's gorgeous, and that is the shade. Love the packaging. It's very simple but really effective. Okay, so that would retail at £12.50, and you'd get it in this size. That is 0.5 ounces. Okay, next up we've got a Percy and Reed Oh So Smooth Fixer using coconut oil, moringa oil and sweet almond seed cake. This silicone free flyaway tanning spray conditions, smooths, frizz, kills static and enhances shine in just one simple step. Should we give it a go? Let's see if it's going to decrease this. It smells really nice and fresh. It feels like I need to be on holiday. Can you feel that? I'm just really bothered that I'm not on holiday and everyone else is. Yeah, I'm gutted. So that smells delicious. So the full size bottle of this retails at £15. So, and where can you get it from? Go to birchbox.co.uk and click shop, and then you can find it from there. Then we've got the Marcel Curling and the Lengthening Mascara. This retails at £14.50. Gonna give it a go, or to be honest with you, I'm quite happy with my mascara that I'm using at the minute. I'm using the Epic mascara, and I'm also using the 4D in it as well. So that is really a good mascara to have for every day. Honestly, it's really good. Okay, so next up we've got a coconut oil This retails at £4.19. I'm going to put this in the giveaway box because I have got loads of these. They are probably one of the best ones that get end up in all these boxes. So definitely going to give it that into the giveaway. Then we've got This Works. And this is a deep sleep pillow spray. Ooh, I haven't been sleeping lately. I think it's because of the fact that the kids are on school holidays. Spray onto pillow before bedtime. Okay, and this retails at £18. It's a calming spritz infused with a cocktail of 100% pure essential oils, including lavender, chamomile, vetiver, and patchouli. I'm saying that right, I don't know. It's clinically proven to help you sleep quicker than usual and wake up feeling refreshed. Spritz a mist mist over your pillow and breathe in deeply. You'll soon be in the land of Nod. Wow, that sounds amazing. Hopefully I go in such a deep sleep that I don't even hear him snoring next to me. So I'm going to give that a go and let you know what that's all about. So that is what's included in July's Birchbox. And then, yes, because of me doing this so late, I have actually got August's Birchbox here. So I'm just going to rip it open in front of you guys. And let's go through what August Day colours. So this is August Birchbox. Let's see, it's Summer Loving. Yes, we do love a bit of Summer Loving. You get a sneak peek of what's happening in September. We're going to have a lip and cheek tint from Benefit. So I'm going to go and check it on. This smells really nice and refreshing. I absolutely love it. You've got 2 full-size products in this month, and you get a Spectrum. Oh my god, I have this already. Have I got this one? Was it in the was it like a limited edition one? Or small fan brush, which I can now add to my Jet Setter collection, which I already purchased from Spectrum Collections, so that can go in there. And I've got a full set which I can take on holiday with me, or just really good for traveling. They are such amazing brushes. You guys need to get your hands on it. So thank you, Spectrum. I'm so glad I can add that to my little collection of baby brushes. They're the perfect size for traveling. You don't need anything more. And that's going to retail at $4.99. Next up, which is a full-size product, is the Anatomicals, the Great British Flake Off Summer Strawberry Body Scrub. Oh, it's got real strawberry bits inside. Oh my god, it smells delicious. I could actually eat it. Oh god, I need some strawberries now. So this is a to help fit skin feel. It's very effectively yet gentle. The formula contains sweet almond oil and glycerin to deeply hydrate and smooth, plus apricot seed power to buff and exfoliate. The results: the skin that's baby soft and unbelievably silky. Delicious. Next up, we have a Marcel product, and this is a Golden Glow Eclat d'Or Brillo Dorado. It's an illuminator, a skin enhancer, and this is retailing at $25.50, and it's give you a nice dewy complexion. Sand and Sky brand Brilliant Skin Purifying Pink Clay Mask. I've never tried a pink one before, so I'm excited to try that. I do love my skincare products, so I'm going to give that a go. And that is perfect to brighten your complexion with a healthy dose of pink clay. It's got aloe vera pomegranate to tighten the pores for radiant skin. Apply a thin layer to clean skin, leave to dry, and remove with water. I'm definitely going to give that a go. And that retails at £39.90, full-size product. Next up, we've got Balance Me. I love this brand. I think I used the eye serum, which was like to freshen up as well, and I got this from one of the boxes, and it's a really fab product to use. And this is a hyaluronic pump mist. Obviously hyaluronic acid is like my favorite product. It's so good to just help hydrate and plumpen up the skin. So yeah, Balance Me, this retails at £18. Definitely going to give that a try. Yeah, all in all, I'm going to give what should I give away into the giveaway? I'm going to give away, like I said, I'm going to give away that from July. So yeah, Thank you so much for tuning in to today's Birchbox unboxing. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll leave all the links where you can go and get your hands on this. And if there's any discounts or anything like that, I will make sure that they're all underneath so you guys can go and check it out. I hope you all have a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all very soon.